So hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this particular lecture series we are start with a new chapter, that is radical chemistry. So radical chemistry is a very small chapter, but it has immense importance in kind of competitive exams. Especially in IIT JM chemistry, there will be little bit of question comes from the radical stability and all part. But in the case of GATE and CSIRNet, there is different question was there that directly solved from the radical chemistry. So it is a small chapter, but yet an important chapter. So in this video onwards, we are starting this particular chapter. But before that, we discuss about what we will discuss in the subsequent 6-7 classes. So first, we'll give a little bit of context of radical chemistry. Then we are talking about the history of radical chemistry. That what is the history of radical chemistry and how the radical chemistry field come in the organic chemistry part. Then we are talking about the little bit of overview of radical, that how the radical is different from the carbocation, carboanions and other things. Okay, and then we discuss about the method of radical generation. There is a two type of radical generation processes there. One is the thermal generation, one is the photochemical generation. Next, in generation of radical, there is a term that's called initiator. So we will discuss initiator in brief. And then we're talking about the radical stability. This part is very important for the JAM aspirants because thermal and kinetic stability of radical is sometimes asked in the questions. Then we are talking about radical reactions. First, we are talking about chain reactions, tin hydrate mediated reaction. This is very important, and radical name reaction. So here, this particular uh, part is important for JAM, and this is important for the CSIRNet and GATE aspirants. So I will provide a material also with the lectures, and for the books we basically follow the Canadian Organic Chemistry. There, chapter number 37, the radical chemistry is well described, so we stick to that. And for the advanced part, we are little bit of focusing on the JD March Advanced Organic Chemistry. Here is also radical based reaction was there, so we'll look onto that. So with this, we have to end this particular class. So in the next class onwards, we are starting with the introduction of radical chemistry, and followed by we'll discuss all of the classes subsequently. So thank you for listening.